Metal roof pitch too low, causing drainage issues? That can seriously mess with your roof's ability to shed water fast and keep your home dry. So, when your metal roof pitch is on the low side, water tends to pool instead of flowing off easily, which sucks because standing water can lead to leaks and rust over time. To fix this, first, check if you can increase the slope a bit during installation or repair. It helps a ton. If changing the pitch is not an option, adding secondary waterproof membranes underneath the metal panels acts like a backup shield to keep water out. Make sure all seams and edges are tightly sealed with high-quality metal roofing tape or sealant designed for low-pitch roofs. Also, consider installing better gutters and downspouts to channel water away faster and prevent buildup near the roof edges. Regular inspections during rainy seasons help catch drainage problems before they turn into big headaches. Keep debris like leaves and branches off the roof so water doesn't get trapped. Lastly, using metal panels with built-in water channels or ribs can improve flow even on flatter pitches. One of the biggest mistakes with metal roofs that have low pitch is ignoring the importance of proper sealing. Water finds any tiny gap and sneaks in, causing leaks. Fix that by using metal-specific sealants and double-checking seams during installation. Another issue is poor gutter setup that doesn't handle runoff well, so water pools at the base of the roof. Upgrading to larger gutters and adding downspout extensions can solve this. The last common problem is skipping maintenance and letting debris clog up water paths, leading to overflow and damage. Regular cleaning and roof checks are key to avoiding this. BigHomeProjects.com makes it way easier for homeowners to find local contractors who really know their stuff with metal roofs and drainage fixes. For contractors, it's a smart way to connect with potential clients and grow their business by showcasing their skills in your area.